first graders, this is Ms. Schloniger, and I'm going to be doing your skills lesson today. Now, before we start, you're going to need to get a paper and pencil. So if you don't have a paper and pencil with you now, pause the video so you can go grab one and then restart it once you do have one. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with reviewing some of our high frequency words. So this first word that you see is again. Say it wherever you are. Say the word again and spell it A-G-A-I-N, again. The next word is around. Say it with me, around. Spell it A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Your next word is but. Say it with me, but, and spell it B-U-T. Okay, this next word is by. By, and spell it B-Y-E. Your next word is could. Could, spell it C-O-U-L-D. Could. Does. Does. D-O-E-S. New. New. K-N-E-W. Or, and spell it O-R. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to read a sentence for you. As I'm reading, I just want you to listen to the sentence. The sentence is, could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? I'm going to read it again, and I just need you to listen to the sentence. Could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? Now, we are going to say the sentence, and I want you to say it with me, and I want you to count on your fingers how many words are in the sentence. So get your fingers ready and count and say the sentence with me. Could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? Did you get 10 words? Because there are 10 words in that sentence. We're going to do it one more time and check that you have 10 words. Could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? Now, on your piece of paper, I want you to make 10 blank lines, just like you see on the screen, to show where each word is going to be. Make sure you spread them out and add nice spaces in between each line for every single one of your words. Now that we have 10 spaces, let's listen to the sentence and let's think, ooh, what kind of punctuation should I put at the end of the sentence? Is it a statement? Is it a question? Or is it an exclamation? So is this going to ask a question or is this telling us something? Could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? At the end of your sentence, add a period, a question mark, or exclamation point, whatever you think you need. Now, this sentence is asking a question. It's asking you to move the sharp thorn out of the way. So make sure you have a question mark at the end of your sentence. And before we write our sentence, make sure you have a capital C for could. Now, I want you to pause the video and I want you to write this sentence. Could you move the sharp thorn out of the way? And once you have your sentence written, play the video to check your work with my spelling. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. Now, I'm going to say one more sentence. For this sentence, I'm not going to show you the answer, and this is the sentence that you need to show your teacher. Take a picture of and send it to your teacher once you're finished with it. So the sentence that I want you to now write all by yourself, make sure you count. Listen to my sentence, count the words, and put the correct punctuation at the end. And the sentence is, do you see a shark? I'll do it one more time. Do you see a shark? I want you to write that sentence down on your paper and send a picture of that sentence to your teacher.